Here is how to fix the problem if you don't receive the Facebook 6-digit code. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you what you can do to fix the issue if you don't receive the Facebook 6-digit code. There are a couple of different steps, so make sure you try all of them. The first thing that you can do is switch between your internet providers. So if you are currently on a Wi-Fi network, turn off your Wi-Fi and go to mobile data and try requesting for the 6-digit code. If you are on mobile data, do the opposite. If this step doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is go to Chrome and hold it for a few seconds. Then after, tap on the eye icon, scroll below and go to storage, then tap on clear cache. This step can also fix the issue if you are not receiving the 6-digit code while using Facebook from your browser. Another thing that you can do is tap and hold Facebook for a few seconds, then go to eye icon. Repeat the same process that you did with the browser, that is go to storage and then clear cache. These steps will probably solve the issue if you are not receiving the 6-digit code. So in this way you can fix the problem if you don't receive the Facebook 6-digit code. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.